Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing lesson 6.6, which is on arc length and sector area. So an arc is a portion or a percentage of the circumference. And as a reminder, circumference is pi times diameter. Now a sector is a portion or a percentage of the area. And remember, area is pi times r squared. And something that you should know is that a circle has 360 degrees. So an arc, this right here would be the arc AC. So if I was just talking about the length of the arc, I'm talking about just a piece of the whole circumference. Now, sector area might be the area of this, looks like a pizza slice, which is just a piece of the whole area. So let's talk about finding the length of an arc. So arc length is a percentage or a portion of the overall circumference. And we have to use this angle measure. So the proportion that it is that angle. That doesn't mean zero, that's theta. That's the Greek letter theta. We often use that to refer to angle measures. So theta, that's whatever portion of the whole 360 degrees. So that's telling us the percentage of the whole circumference. So times pi times diameter. So it's just, this is my portion or my percentage of the circumference. So number one, we're talking about this arc. It's bolded here. And this angle is 107 degrees. So 107 over 360 times pi times diameter. So this is giving me the radius. Diameter would be 12. And that is 11.21 meters. All right, number two. This is the arc, and the angle inside that is 38. So 38 over 360 times pi times diameter. My diameter would be 30. That's 9.95 inches. Number three, the arc that we're asked to find the length of is over here, but the angle is on the other side. So to find the correct angle, the one that's kind of inside our arc, we need to take 360 minus 142, and that's 218 degrees. So we're using 218 in our formula. Oh, and I just realized you can't see that. I am so sorry. So notice the 142 was on the other side. 218 is the side that we needed. So 218 over 360 times pi times diameter, which is 8. And we get 15.22 centimeters. So number four, we need to find this angle measure because that's the one that's inside of our arc. So we take 360 minus 288, which is 72.
Jaden Van Winkle, your ride is here. Jaden Van Winkle.
So 72 over 360 times pi times the diameter, which would be 19. And this is 11.94 feet. Not too bad. Let's turn over to the next page. And we're going to do sector area. So this is just like arc length. We start with our angle over 360 times our area formula. So pi times r squared. Number 5. The angle is 210 out of 360 times pi times r squared. And this is 263.89 inches squared. Then we have 45 over 360 times pi times radius squared, which is 100.53 feet squared. Number 7, 270 over 360 times pi times r squared, and we get 461.81 yards squared. Number 8, 145 over 360 times pi times 18 squared. And that is 409.98 feet squared. Now HG, or number 9, is a little different because we have 2 sectors, but they're equal. So we can just find the area of one of them and multiply by 2. So, and it tells me that HG is 7. All right, so we're going to do 2 times. We have 2 of them. The angle is 46 over 360 times pi times my r squared. And we get 39.34, we'll just say units squared. All right, number 10. So it tells me that RS, that's my whole diameter, is 43. So the radius is half of that, or 21.5. Now for my angle, it gives me the white space. It gives me the part that I don't want. So if this is 17, this is 17 degrees, we really want to know this. So we need to do 360 minus 17 minus 17, which is 326. So all of the gray together is 326. If I take that and divide by 2, we get 163. So each side is 163 degrees. Now we have 2 of the sectors, so 2 times 163 over 360 times pi times my radius squared. It's 1,315.05 units squared. If you have any questions on that, please ask. Have a good day.